Is your diesel truck acting stubborn and refusing to start on a freezing morning? You might be dealing with the P0680 trouble code, which points directly to a fault in the cylinder number 10 glow plug circuit. Unlike gas engines that use spark plugs, a diesel engine relies on high heat generated by compression to ignite the fuel. On a cold day, that heat gets sucked away by the cold metal of the cylinder head, so the engine uses a pencil-shaped heater called a glow plug to warm things up. When your powertrain control module sees that the glow plug in cylinder 10 is not drawing the right amount of power, it sets this code and triggers the check engine light. You might notice your truck takes a long time to crank, or maybe it does not start at all when it has been sitting out in the cold. Even if it does start, it might run rough or hesitate when you step on the gas until the engine reaches a better operating temperature. The most common cause is simply a burnt-out glow plug, but it could also be a blown fuse, a bad glow plug relay, or a damaged wire leading to the cylinder 10 plug. To figure this out, you will need a digital volt-ohm meter to check the resistance of the glow plug itself. A good plug usually shows between 0.5 and 2.0 ohms of resistance. If it shows way more than that or no continuity at all, the plug is dead and needs to be replaced. Also, check the wiring harness for any signs of melting or corrosion, especially at the bus bar where all the glow plug wires connect. Replacing a single glow plug is usually a straightforward job, but if the wiring is the problem, you might need to repair a fusible link or replace a connector. Do not let this slide because a bad glow plug puts a huge strain on your batteries and starter motor over time.